Hi, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today, I'm going to talk you through the Flaming Coals Cyprus Spit range. Now, a Cyprus Spit is a great way to cater for any size event. You can cook on the top 3 skewers for a large number of people, or if you're having a more intimate gathering, you can just cook on 1 skewer or even the bottom 12 skewers. There's 3 Cyprus Spits in the core Flaming Coals range. We have the original model, we have the deluxe model, and then we also have the Deluxe Stainless Model. Now, before we get into the differences, let's talk about all the similarities. They all have the same footprint, so they're going to take up the same amount of space in your backyard. They all come with a 304 food-grade stainless steel cooking grill, a stainless steel charcoal pan inside to help increase the longevity, a 13-kilo rated motor to turn the top 3 skewers, and best of all, they come with a super simple part adjustment function. Now that we've been through the similarities of all 3 models, let's talk about the differences. Along the top, we've got 3 cooking skewers. On the original model, they're 8mm thick. On the deluxe model, they're 10mm thick, which means you can load the skewer up a little bit more before they start to flex. The accessories that they come with is also a bit different. So on the original model, it comes with 6 forks, which is perfect for cooking 3 roasts. On our deluxe model, it comes with 1 set of prongs, 1 set of gyro discs, and a basket, which is great for pork belly, fish, butterfly chicken, you name it. Now keep in mind that you can also purchase extra prongs for the deluxe models, and you can purchase discs and baskets to suit the original model as well. So as you can see, the Flaming Coals models also have 12 kebab skewers along the bottom, which turn independently from the top 3 skewers. On the original model, they're 4mm thick, whereas on the deluxe model, they're 5mm thick, which means you can load them up a bit more before they start to flex. Now, because the top skewers and the bottom skewers all can be turning at the same time, all 3 Cyprus models come with 2 motors. As I already mentioned, on the top, they're 13-kilo rated motors, but on the back, that's where the difference is. So on the original model, that one comes with a 9-kilo rated motor, compared to the deluxe model, which also has another 13-kilo motor. It's also worth mentioning that if you were to get the deluxe model, that has upgrade options available for the motor. So what you can do is upgrade the 13-kilo motor that turns these top skewers into a 15-kilo variable speed motor, or if you're catering for a really large event, you can also upgrade to the 25-kilo rated motor. Now, the final difference between the original model and the deluxe model is the thickness of the tub. Now, the tub on the original model is 2mm thick, and when you couple that with the internal charcoal pan, it's going to last you for years to come. But on the deluxe model, we've gone above and beyond, and we supply that one with a 3mm thick model. So this one's going to last for generations. Now, in our deluxe range, we also have a stainless steel version, which is exactly the same as our mild steel black version, other than the frame. It's 2mm thick tub and 100% stainless steel. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call, jump online and check out the compare feature, or head on in store.